this is Regitze from Greatness Advertising. Have you heard it? Facebook has made changes to their ad platform again. Facebook continuously make changes to their ad platform. And now the change they have made is in the targeting of areas. So before you could target people in living in a certain country or city or area. And the second option was people living in or traveling through or visiting a certain area or country. But now that the first option has been taken away, so people living in that country, so now you can only target people living in or traveling through or visiting a certain area. And usually people who are traveling, they're not so interested in buying things online. So what do? Well, you can use your ad to call out to the people that you're targeting. So you can, for instance, in your ad copy, meaning the text on your ad, you can write, Americans, are you interested in my coaching offer, for instance? Just something like that, where you call out to the people that you're targeting. You can also write it on your ad picture to call out to the people that you are targeting. If you want help with this, then we specialize in getting leads and clients for coaches and consultants. So if you want to learn more about that, you can book a call with me. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group, New Coaches, Consultants and Entrepreneurs. And don't forget to like, follow and subscribe, share it with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And yeah, have a great day. Take care. Bye.